the official transmittal that we made was with the committee. Now, I just furnish him a copy of that.
Okay. Attorney, so, ngayon lang po? Ngayon lang kayo nakahawak noon? Akala ko ba na-submit na sa inyo nung nakaraan pa?
Because of the voluminous
Sandali po, ma'am.
transmittal, Your Honor.
Hindi, kasi nag-submit kayo sa committee.
Yes,
Ang
Your Honor.
tinatanong ko ngayon, yung AMLA. Now, attorney, so ngayon nyo lang nakuha yung mga list of titles?
Mr. Chair, the ones, the LRA that provided to us in August does not include the Empire 999, Mr. Chair.
Ano lang po nang nandun? Mga individual?
Corporate, actually, Mr. Chair. Those owned by Golden Sun,
Mexico 999?
Mexico, and Yatay, Mr. Chair.
Yatay. So, ang Empire ngayon lang.
Informally, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, how about individual Chinese nationals? Yung mga properties nila?
It's included in the one sent this morning, Mr. Chair.
Previously, wala?
None, Mr. Chair.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, because the four COMSEC, I think it's only my COMSEC that is absent today's hearing. Yung dangerous drugs po, COMSEC, then you check with your staff. Then, yung public accounts, please check po. COMSEC, please coordinate with COMSEC Francis para po ma-retrieve yung mga documents with regards to the titles, no, ng mga incorporators, and at the same time, and then submit it to AMLAC. Kasi ang kailangan natin dito, hindi lang may mga korporasyon, pati yung mga individual. Kasi, di ba, may sale na nga si Edith Tiang sa Municipality of Mexico, Pampanga, which is the subject of case now against Mayor Teddy Tumang. Yung 79.5 million sale of property. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, so please, COMSEC, no, ano lang, ASAP lang, please, kindly coordinate with COMSEC Francis, no, to retrieve all those documents and submit to the AMLA within the day. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. The next to interpolate is Congresswoman Franz Castro. You are recognized. You have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Some clarification lang, Mr. Chair, doon sa presentation ng PIDEA, si ASEC Gumban, Mr. Chair. May I also request that the COMSEC, pwede po bang ipakita po yung matrix na presented to us by ASEC Gumban, doon po sa POGO Illegal Drugs Connections. So, meron lang po ako i-clarify na ilang bagay, Mr. Chair. So, doon po sa presentation, Mr. Chair, so, it seems talaga, Mr. Chair, na si Michael Yang, si Alan Lin, kasama na yung kanyang, yung asawa, si Michael Yang, si Alan Lin, ay talaga pong close. Tama po ba? At sila po ay, ay involved sa drugs. Sa illegal drugs, I mean. ASEC, Sir Chair.
Kindly repeat the question, please.
So, okay. So, doon po sa matrix na ipinakita niyo po, Mr. Chair, dito sa POGO Illegal Drugs. So, sinasabi niyo po ba na si Michael Yang, si Alan Lin, at ayun, ay talaga pong close po ba yan na mga involved sa illegal drugs? Do you say categorically that they are involved in illegal drugs?
Ma'am, Alan Lim is directly involved with drugs, but up to now we cannot connect Michael Yang yet in this link diagram.
Why? Bakit po? Bakit hindi nyo ma-connect po si Michael Yang na involved din sa illegal drugs? Kasi yun yung tanong ko kanina, Mr. Chair. Kasi 'di ba dito po no, kasi ang title nyo sa matrix, Pogos Illegal Drugs Connection. So ano po yung ito katulad niyan, yung nilagay niyo po pa po dyan, ano, yung picture ni Mr. Duterte, si Michael Yang, at saka si Alan Lim. At hindi po yan yung first na litrato po no, na nakikita nating magkakasama ang mga yan. So ang ibig sabihin po, itong si Lim at si Lin, Alan Lin at si Michael Yang ay involved sa drugs, illegal drugs.
Ma'am, Mr. Chair, it's just to happen that they are part of the corporation. They are just incorporators. And the information that they are involved in drugs, that is according to Colonel Asierto.
Okay. So, nag-imbestiga po ba kayo doon, Mr. Chair? Kasi kung ito po yung binigay ni Colonel Asierto, so mula po noon na binibigay niya yung ganong information, nag-ano po ba kayo, nag-conduct kayo ng investigation, Mr. Chair?
Yes, ma'am, and Alan Lim is confirmed that involves in drugs. But what we have now is just Alan Lim and Michael Yang are just same incorporators. So we are still digging on the accounts of Michael Yang. And that is for the AMLAC to determine.
Yes. So, ano po yung ano ulit, yung corporation nitong dalawang to na they are involved?
Ma'am, Rose Nonolin and Michael Yang are also co-incorporators of a certain Alan Lin in Piley Holdings Corporation. Piley Holdings, ma'am.
Piley Holdings. Ano po yung negosyo nila, Mr. Chair? Doon sa corporation. Ano pong linya ng trabaho or industry?
We do not know yet, ma'am, about their the business of Piley.
Mr. Chair, sorry parang nag-present po kayo ng ganitong matrix. So syempre kami po sa House of Reps na mga kongresista, tatanungin po natin yung mga detalye niyan. So kung ako po yung titingin dyan, parang may connection ang mga yan. Di po ba? Kasi eto, si Alan Lin, involved sa droga. So ito, nilagay nyo dyan, si Alan Lin at saka si Michael Yang na isa sa isang corporation. Etong Full Win Group. Ano po ba yung negosyo nung dalawa na they are incorporators? Kasali po yung asawa ni Lin, Mr. Chair.
Ma'am, we are checking it regarding the Piley Holdings.
Mr. Chair, come again.
We are checking it right now, ma'am, about the Piley Holdings because actually that is not exhaustively identified by PDEA because we are just going through up to Rose Nonolin and to involve up to the last Alice Goo, ma'am.
Well, Mr. Chair, so it seems na merong exception doon sa information. Kasi po, yun nga po, nag-present kayo ng matrix na ganyan, dinidig namin yung mga relasyon ng mga taong nandiyan, pati yung corporation. So, ASEC, meron po ba kayong meron po ba kayong ine-accept or meron kayong tinatago dito? Kasi pag tiningnan po natin yan, Mr. Chair, magkakasama yan si Mr. Duterte, si Alan Lin, si Michael Yang, di ba? So, ano po yung mga relasyon nitong mga tatlong ito? Sinama niyo pa po si Senator Bongo na nilink ninyo kay Alan Lin. So, may tanong din po ako doon. So hindi kayo pwedeng mag-present sa amin ng just a matrix na akala ninyo hindi kami nag-iisip at nag-analyze. Kasi kanina pa po ako nag-analyze yung inyong matrix. May mga alam ko naman po yung ibig sabihin ng mga arrow 'Di ba? May link. Tinuturo po natin yan sa mathematics, yung mga links. So, ano po yung, pakibalik nga